Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science and expertise. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to simplify your skincare and makeup routine, all while enhancing your natural glow. It's the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream Tinted Moisturizer in Light 1 Fallades. A multitasker designed to hydrate, correct, even, and perfect your skin, all in one smooth application. So, what makes this BB cream stand out in the crowded world of tinted moisturizers? Let's take a deeper look. The L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream is a hydrating, all-in-one beauty balm. It features encapsulated pigments that adapt to your skin tone, offering a personalized, flawless finish. As soon as you apply it, the BB cream transforms into your perfect shade, blending seamlessly to give your skin a fresh, bare skin effect. It hydrates, evens out the complexion, and helps correct imperfections, making it ideal for those who want a quick and easy way to enhance their natural beauty. What's in it? Well, L'Oreal has infused this BB cream with vitamins C and E, both antioxidants known for their skin-nourishing properties. These vitamins help protect your skin from environmental stressors, leaving it feeling smoother and looking healthier over time. Additionally, the lightweight formula makes it easy to wear every day without feeling heavy or greasy. As for real-world testing, I've been using this BB cream for several days, and I have to say, the ease of application is one of its strongest points. I simply applied it with my fingers, and it blended effortlessly into my skin. The texture is light and creamy, not too thick, which is perfect for days when I want to skip heavy foundation, but still need some coverage. In terms of coverage, it's more on the light side, great for those who prefer a natural, fresh look. It did a decent job of evening out my skin tone, though I wouldn't expect it to completely cover blemishes or dark spots. For those imperfections, you may need a little extra concealer. One of the most important factors to consider is how this BB cream feels on the skin. It's hydrating without being oily, which is perfect for my combination skin. I didn't notice any dryness throughout the day, and it left a subtle, dewy finish that looked radiant, but not greasy. There are, however, a couple of cons worth mentioning. First, the shade range is a bit limited, so if you have a deeper skin tone, this product might not be the best match for you. Also, while it provides decent hydration, those with extremely dry skin might need to layer it with a heavier moisturizer. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's fairly priced for what you're getting. At around $10, it's not overly expensive for a product that offers multiple benefits. Plus, the packaging is compact and travel-friendly, which is always a win for me. There are some similar products on the market, such as the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream or the Garnier Skin Active BB Cream, which may offer more shade options or a slightly higher SPF. However, L'Oreal's version stands out for its hydrating formula and the fact that it adapts to your skin tone, which is a huge plus for many users. As for build quality, the tube is sturdy, and the product itself has a nice consistency that doesn't separate or feel too watery. It lasts well on the skin, and while I didn't test it for long hours under extreme conditions, it held up well during my typical daily wear. Regarding customer support, I haven't personally had any issues with L'Oreal's customer service, but the brand is known for being responsive and accommodating, which is a positive if you ever need assistance. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option or a different formulation, the Maybelline BB cream I mentioned earlier could be a good choice, though it doesn't offer quite as much hydration. If you have dry skin, you might also want to try the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus cream for a fuller coverage and extra moisture. So, would I recommend this BB cream? If you're looking for a light, everyday option that evens out your skin tone and adds a natural, healthy glow, L'Oreal's Magic Skin Beautifier is definitely worth considering. It's especially great for those with normal to combination skin who want something easy and effective. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.